Okay, this is just going to be a quick one because this is a big box. It's a Fujitsu Scansnap ix500, which is the replacement for the ix500. So let's just see what you get with this bad boy. Ooh. Hello, new lifestyle. I'm here to enrich your life. That's quite a claim from a scanner. Ooh, dear Fujitsu. Polystyrene. Tut tut. Still, at least it's easy enough to take out. Even more polystyrene. Let's just see what you get in the box. You get a receipt guide. Oh, that's quite good. Get a European power lead. Not very useful for the UK. UK power lead. Very white USB cable. Quite a small power supply. There's the instructions. Don't think, no, nothing else side there. That's the Scansnap itself. Let's just take it out of the bag a sec. Okay, and that's the Fujitsu Scansnap. Pretty standard. It's I won't take it all to pieces because this is going out to a client. But you can see this one's got a touchscreen. It's got the usual Scansnap document guides. There's the output tray. Not really too much to it. Oh, that's interesting. It's got a little cover for the USB. Well, I assume it must have Wi-Fi if they go to that trouble. Can you get inside it for a paper jam, I wonder? Yes, you can. So that's still just part of the packing. Okay, relatively straightforward one, this one. We'll attempt to shoot an operation video if we can. Thank you and good night.